part here. Hopefully. For all the 8 packs. If I can't finish in 10 minutes, I should be shot. We're hoping for Barry Sanders. Watching Hangover on vlog. With Will, Vintage, the other Chris, and Steve. Scott is working, I'm guessing. Farrell Edmonds. Ooh, here's a card. If you like wrestling, bam. If you like wrestling, you'll remember this character. Darren Drozdov, who was paralyzed by D'Lo Brown, I think in '99. He had the ability to puke on command. That's why he got signed to the WWE. He was a good wrestler, too. Ricky Waters, I believe that's his rookie, too. That's the first time I've seen the card. John Vaughn, Flipper Anderson. What up, Scott? Terrible lighting, I know. Wilbur Marshall, Eric Moulton, Brian Washington, Lincoln Kennedy, James Hasty, Lance Gunn, Vincent Brown, Steve Broussard, I believe our second Garrison Hurst. This one doesn't have printing flaws on it though. Well, there's a big name I didn't have. Rod Bernstein, Tony Smith, The Bus, Jeremy Bettis, rookie. Not a bad card. Whitmore, David Whitmore, Dennis Smith, Carlton Gray, Dale Carter, Doug Riesenberg, Darian Gordon, Chris Slade, Dana Hall, Dave Meggett, Ernest Gibbons, foil, not Barry Sanders, but Emmett Smith. This has to be the longest box break ever. Just saying. What do we got going on? Ricky Waters again, John Vaughn again, Flipper Anderson, Wilbur Marshall, Brian Washington, Eric Moulton, Lincoln Kennedy, James Hasty. Oh, card's upside down. Lance Gunn, Vincent Brown, doesn't matter, Steve Broussard, Cleveland Gary, Harold Alexander, and Jim Kelly. Foil. I got like 4 or 5 packs left of Vintage, so. What up, Connor? USMC 86, what up, Matt? We got James Trapp, Gerard Bunch, Patrick Robinson, John Carney, Sheila McRae. Good night, everybody. Tim Harris, Andre Battle of Hastings, Russell Copeland, Jerry Ball, Heath Sherman, John Lynch, which I think is his rookie too. So I want to say his SP rookie used to book for about $8-10, $12-15 even. A former safety for the fucking Queers. John Perella, who this man's father, I want to say, is a sheriff, cop, something in Nebraska who got shot. Not that long ago. I think that basically ended his career. Former San Diego Charger, that's why I know. I'd say Allen, but Allen left the room. Dwayne Harper, Myron Baker, the touchdown maker, and Troy Aikman, foil. Four packs. Can I get it done in like 5 minutes for blog? We got Mike Golick, Lewis Tillman, Scott Mitchell, not on the Lions. This is when he's backing up Dan Marino. Rob Moore, Ray Childress, J.B. Brown, Charles Haley, Jumbo Elliott, Melvin Jenkins, Irving Fryer, Greg Burkett, Robert Jones, Sean Jones. Ooh, foil is a bomb. The Rocket, Rahib Ishmael. We got Ronnie Lott, Adrian Hardy, Rodney Hampton, Joel Steed, Derek Walker, Eugene Chung, Keith Karts, Dermonati Dawson, Eddie Robinson, Gary Anderson, Andre Tippett, Rod Birdstein, Tony Smith. Still no Barry. Jerry Rice, though. Nice foil. I don't know how many more of these box breaks I'm going to be doing. If I can get them at a price that I enjoy, I'll try to do as many as humanly possible. Just because they're so fun to do. What do we got? John Copeland, David Klingler, Andre Reed, Greg Lloyd, Tim McKyer, Mark Jackson, Dana Stubblefield, Terry McDaniel, Broderick Thompson, Steve Empman, Vincent Ultimate Frisbee, Robert Smith, rookie. J.J. Burden, Steve Young foil. So we're down to one pack, and we haven't had any Lions mojo yet. Will Vintage Chris get shut out in another group break? Come on, Barry Sanders. Coleman Rudolph, which is good because I haven't pulled his card yet. Ron Heller, Andre Collins, Steve Jordan, Don Mosbar, Levon Kirkland. There you are, Will. Ty Detmer. For Dawkins, 311 there. Mark Ingram, Kenny Naughton, Del Spear, Wayne Simmons, Charles Mann, Winston Moss. Vintage, we got shut out. Reggie White foil. I might do a TTM with this though. So that's it, YouTube. 93 Bowman. We got a bunch of base here. The foil, inserts, soup, me, on blog. And then the usual cast of characters. But that's it. That's the excitement. Take her easy, YouTube, and if she's easy, take her twice.